and we are back for another episode of the Building Server Season 5. And so, as you probably remember, we left off on this is the frame of the house we left off on last episode. I'm gonna actually be doing some work to it today, hopefully. If I don't mess up his completely mess up his house design.
Yeah.
I'll probably just put in windows and stuff.
I'm just gonna log right now because I'm getting really much lag. Such.
Man, I saw when you joined, you had a 2-bar.
Yeah. So I'm gonna log, guys, and I'll be right back.
Downstairs to be.
So here's my example. So you're gonna walk in, and then right here. No wait. So this end, basically right here, this end is gonna lead to the downstairs.
So is it gonna be 3x3?
Yeah, it's gonna be 3.
Alright, I'll work on basement.
Alright.
Should I go strip mining?
I'm gonna cut the episode until I have. Oh god.
Yeah. Lost here.
I'm gonna cut the episode until I've dug out a space to start working with. So I will be right back.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut the episode as well because I don't think people want to see me strip mining. So be right back.
Where's the coal?
The coal?
Yeah.
I put all of it in the furnace. Just divide it up.
Hey, what are you picking up?
Hey, where's all the water? Oh, there's no water.
Yeah, there is.
No, in the ravine.
So that, my friends, is why we need a water bucket with a lava bucket.
I'm going down to Y11.
I'm almost out of iron already. All right, guys, no more using the iron because we might need it for we need it for.
I didn't use the iron on anything.
I know. I just made a bucket because in case I light myself on fire. So while we're here, I know it's kind of late, but can you tell us a little bit about yourselves, about your channel and stuff?
Alright, so I started on my channel about, I think it's been a year now, so this is my 1-year anniversary of my channel. I haven't made a video for it, but I made it around November of last year, 2012. So, when I first started, I didn't even have a microphone or anything. I had this really crummy laptop that got about 25 frames with fraps. So I would use that, and I recorded with that until I got Camtasia, and I was able to upload with a microphone. But it was a built-in mic, so it sounded horrible. And then later, I got a new computer, so then I could, for some reason, because my laptop would not let me use fraps with a microphone. So I got a new computer, and I bought a headset, a Rocketfish headset. And that was my microphone for a long time, a very long time, until it finally bit the dust. It lasted about 6 or 7 months of my YouTube career. So it's the mic I use most of the time. Now
I can't move. I'm moving backwards. Oh, okay, I got that.
Now I use a Turtle Beach, but it's pretty much broken. That's why it doesn't sound the best. I'm gonna be getting a blue snowball in a month or so. And yeah, that's basically it. This new computer costed about $600. So
I'm thinking about getting a new computer.
I started my channel a couple weeks ago. I've always had this. Actually, no. I had a Logitech headset that died. It broke. The USB part broke. So now I have a wireless headset, and yeah, I got a new computer in the summer, and I could record on it 30 frames still, it won't change.
Oh wow.
Yeah. And that's I've only uploaded 2 things because those are test uploads. So yeah.
I'm probably gonna remove them anyways.
Yeah.
So anything in this glass is just plain blocks. For some reason I made them all into panes.
Oh, that's perfect. Let me see.
I was gonna. Oh, panes are 64.
Give me all the glass and the panes that you have.
I have one piece of glass here. 16 more panes. I'm just gonna make a skylight.
We want windows in this. We want windows in this house, so like you can see them like or in the basement all the time.
Yeah.
I don't know about you guys, but I have my own basement. I basically live in my basement. I know it seems kind of like no life-ish, but I actually have a pretty good.
I wish I had a basement. Where do you live?
Yeah, me
What
too.
state?
I don't have an attic or a basement.
You guys live in like an apartment or something?
We live in California, so like.
No, I live
You
in
guys
a
know each other in real
two-story
life?
house. Yeah.
What?
You guys-
Yeah, we go.
Tyler, you sound like you have braces.
I don't, but I need them, like, a lot.
Yeah, I can tell. Like the spacing when you say like, say the spacing. So like, I don't know. You might think that this is weird, guys, but the spacing like between your teeth, like clack your teeth together, like
what?
like you know how when you eat food and your teeth clamp down together,
Yeah,
do that, but except without the food.
I just did it.
Do it more. Like, do it, like, oh. Alright.
I did that.
Yeah, see, you can tell. Do you have, like, sharp teeth, like, in some places?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry, I just talked in my brain. But yeah, yeah. You can tell by the spacing between your teeth. Like when you say the. Kind of weird.
We don't have basements because we live in California, and we live basically right on top of one of the biggest faults in the world.
Yeah.
One of the biggest what in the world?
Earthquake faults. The San Andreas fault.
Ah.
Yeah, so if we had a basement and we were in it while an earthquake happened, we'd be screwed.
Yeah. I record in my room upstairs, so.
I have a single story, so I can't like get away from all the noise.
So this episode is basically going to be a material gathering episode. And just finishing up the main house.
Lapis.
Skylight is officially finished. I'm still working on the dugout area.
Yeah, so I'm probably gonna have plans to make a camping table on this server. So yeah.
I strip mined and I found a giant ravine and I don't have a water bucket.
Get coal. Not ice, get coal.
Okay.
Because we need it for like the furnaces and stuff.
Yeah.
So what would suck if
What?
all this time our microphones got dead on.
Yeah, I know. That would suck.
Yeah, that would suck so much.
Alright.
We recorded for like a good 20 minutes, 30 minutes.
You mean like a good 2 hours?
Yes, okay. It didn't feel like 2 hours to me.
More like an
I'm
hour
gonna
15.
record, you know what, I'm gonna record the first 10 episodes like all together like UHC, so that way like you guys don't know what's gonna happen next, but I do, and it's gonna be pretty cool.
So like basically a cliffhanger.
Basically cliffhanger. Alright, I need some more dark oak. I'm gonna go get some.
Wait, I just got some.
I need them in plank form.
Take that. Cause I'm also using it for the.
I need them in the shovel.
So I don't know what this channel name is gonna be. I'm thinking somewhere off of red something like red apple game or something like that. Or maybe just red apple. I don't know, something along those borders. If that's not my YouTube name, At the end
Granny
of this,
Smith apple.
Granny Smith app.
and if that's not my YouTube name at the end of this, then I apologize to people who are confused. So yeah, something like that. I was thinking about like maybe Red Gear Gaming, like Gear Red Gaming, something like that. Maybe that's nice. Do you think that would sound good?
Sounds fine.
Yeah.
Red Gear Gaming, something like that.
I was gonna make it down here. I was gonna make the walls
What's
dark
this? What is this?
What?
There's like a cobblestone right here. There's like, did someone like dig up or something?
Probably. Oh yeah, Tyler.
What?
Comes Tyler.
If it's in the ravine, that's probably me.
No, it wasn't in the ravine. Remember when we were short wood for or cobblestone for a furnace, and you just dug down and grabbed some?
Yes.
Killer
Oh,
bit.
right. So this floor is gonna be dark wood. Because it just...
Well, let's do like keep it like the outer ring, dark wood logs.
No, wait, we can make it acacia wood.
Well, no, acacia. Keep this like the outer border, like this, and but then put acacia wood in the center of all of it.
There are 3 skeletons that fell. Oh my gosh.
I'm
Okay,
making
I was
the walls
trying to
dark
get...
oak. Yeah.
Yeah. So I usually won't record 10-minute intervals like this, but it's just the starting off of a server. So you know, it's sort of like the server starting, like, I wouldn't say finale, because that's like the final. But I'm guessing like on the server finale, what I want for the server finale is like everyone gets their best gear, and we just have this all-out PvP match.
Yeah.
Yeah. And at some point, we'll probably fight the Ender Dragon.
But that's when we have another hub and stuff like that. But that's in the
Yeah.
future. Sorry guys if you... Sorry if you guys can't see right now. I'm just chopping down some dark wood because I need it. I need a lot of this stuff. This is really lucky that we spawned next to a roof forest.
Both of the biomes that we needed.
But if not, we probably would have like made the house out of a different material.
Yeah, like oak or spruce or something.
Yeah. But if you guys are wondering what texture pack that I'm using, it's called Faithful. It's like, it makes everything like, I think I'm using the 32-bit.
Yeah, all 3 of us are using Faithful 32.
For real?
Yeah.
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 That's
I'm
fine.
using Faithful.
Alright, I gotta start recording again. 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, I'm back, and I'm gonna show you what I've done. Jake's been doing stuff to the house, like the top.
I'm
And,
back too.
I've dug out this space.
It's one of my brothers. Hey, brother.
I've been strip mining like a lot, and I found this giant ravine full of lava.
Sorry, there's no light down here, but what I've been doing is this is dark oak. If you can't see it, let me get some torches. Does anyone have torches? I need them badly.
I have 34, but I'm not anywhere near you.
Kill him. I need the ender pearl.
Got a walker.
Mommy.
You got a walker. I got him. Ah, you hit me.
Yeah, that was an accident. Sorry. Where'd he teleport to?
Over there.
This guy's a noob. He keeps like teleporting every time I try and hit him.
Lol, noob. Villager zombies, what the heck?
Yeah, I don't know where he is anymore.
I got redstone.
Creeper! Kill it!
Alright, can I just, do you have any torches? No? Well, there's coal in here, I'll grab some of it.
Is all the food in the chest?
Oh, there is? I need some.
Oh wow, we had like a whole bunch of dark wood in that chest.
I told you, I told you I put it in there for you.
We are such professional beards.
Yes, we are.
I'm heading out of the ravine now.
This is how it looks. We're going to fill this in with acacia wood in the center.
Out of this whole mining expedition, I got 7 iron ore.
Oh wow. Okay, so it's about to reach 15 minutes. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.